Hey guys, Aiden's Cuts here. Today I've got another tutorial requested by this mum on how to cut her son's curly hair. So first things first, I like to completely saturate the hair and section off the sides. Curly hair can be super hard to cut, so by saturating it we have more control over the whole entire haircut. Now what we're doing is dividing everything from the top to the sides, and then I'm just going to clip that up to make our life that much easier. Then what I'll be doing is I'll be creating a perimeter around the entire head using basic graduation technique, which is just building weight on the sides. All we have to do is bring our hands off the head with not much elevation, having our knuckles on the head at all times, and when we get closer into the sides, we're going to bring our fingers in even tighter and up a little bit higher on the sides of the head. Once we've completed that, we're going to create a profile section on the top, which is just like a mohawk in the middle of the head. To find the desired length, I grabbed some of that graduation we just did on the back, and I'm going to elevate it all the way up and just follow the silhouette of his head. You can see his head is quite round, so we're going to do a round layer, and this is going to complement the curls really nice. Once we've done this complete round layer with our mohawk section, we're going to grab some of the sides and bring it up into that, and we're just going to have everything elevated nice and square so it creates that nice masculine haircut. We want to make sure that we're elevating everything straight up, we're not bringing anything back. We also are grabbing traveling guides whilst doing this. The final thing is just to pull the fringe down, make sure that we're blending it into the sides and nothing's overhanging whatsoever. When cutting in the fringe, you want to make sure you don't go any shorter than that graduation we just did on the side, and make sure we blend it into the top as much as we possibly can. Once we've done that, I'm going to grab some sea salt spray, spray it into the hair, and then I'm going to diffuse it. For the first couple minutes, I'm not even going to touch the hair with the diffuser, and then I'm going to go in and just for about 30 seconds rub the diffuser on top of the hair, and this will make the hair spring together. Now what I'm doing is I am brushing everything out on the side, so we've got a nice smooth canvas for us to fade on. I've got my 3.5 all the way open, just going in below what we did with that graduation, and then I've got my 3 guard all the way closed, and this is purely just for our debulking. Now I've got my 1.5 all the way open. Then what you want to do is close your number 1.5 guard all the way and go below what you just did, making sure we keep the same silhouette the whole time whilst we're fading. Once our debulk is completed, we're going to go in with our skin trimmer and just create a nice little guideline about 1.5 inches below that weight that we've created. Making sure when we put in our skin line, we're taking our time to remove all the little hairs because we do not want to irritate our customer's skin at all. We're going in with some talcum powder to remove them as well, and then we're going to go in with our foil shaver and completely remove all the little stubble. Now we've got our 0.5 all the way open, and we're going just above what we did with our foil and our skin line. Then we're going to go in with our number 1 guard all the way open, and above that 0.5 that we just created, we're going to go in with our number 1 guard all the way closed. Remember to keeping our wrist real flicky and everything's very flowy. If you do go too high, you can always go back and just go a little bit higher with everything else. Now we're going in with our 0.5 guard, and we're just closing that and moving around our lever to make sure we're getting rid of all that little weight that we can see. Now I've created a little bit of a shelf with our 1 guard and our 1.5, so I'm just flicking that out with the 2. And then finally I'm going in with our 0 guard with no guard on, and I'm just flicking out that bottom line and removing everything. That's pretty much the fade complete. So now we're going to go in with our trimmer and just line everything up. Remember to take our time with this because this is what makes and breaks the haircut. It's what separates professionals from amateurs, so making sure we're really taking our time with the lineup. Once we've done all our detail work, that is the fade complete, and that is the final haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm just going in and styling it with a little bit of a mousse and a shiny paste to make sure the curls are really standing out. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This was a requested video. If you guys have any other requested videos, please let me know and hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much, guys.